All right, guys. Mark II Jaguar wiring harnesses. I know you're squirting in your panties right now for this. And my commando knife. This contains the complete wiring harness for a 1964 Jaguar Mark II right-hand drive, with the exception of one harness which I already have, which is number 168, which I believe is the left side. I'm going to leave it there, left side something. Also, this should contain the grommet kit. There's no point in fucking around. You need grommets. So let's see what I can get to. Now, as you can see with Mr. Snug Barrett, they do love to do a good wrapping. And yeah, you heard me talk about this, didn't you? I've had my wrist done, so I'm kind of like a one-armed bandit at the moment. It pleases my wife because I used to be an 8-legged octopus. Sorry, kind of awkward. Now, those of you that like unboxings, you weird bastards, this is what you're getting. Now, this little box here is basically worth $1,000. Basically. I hate using that word. Oh, look at this. Doesn't this want to make you squirt in your pants? Sorry, I got carried away there just staring at this. Look at that. Isn't that fucking beautiful? Let's see what I can lay out here. As I said, complete wiring harness. Now that is turn signals, headlights, dash, left and right body wiring harnesses, the whole lot. This must be the headlight one. Look at the connectors there. That's got to be the headlights, both sides. Excuse me, I'm going to move you back a bit. I'm going to have to look all of these up. You know, the numbers mean nothing to me, but I'm sure they will when I get there and I'm putting it in. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, this is squirty stuff. Oh gosh. Light harness, boot lid harness, overdrive harness. Oh, it's got it written on it. Front lamp harness, center panel harness. That one, yeah, you got to guess. They don't put a label on that one. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh, this one is, oh gosh. Oh, this is, oh, that's a big ass main harness. Oh my God, would you look at that thing? What do they call it? Yeah, main harness braided. Look at that. Oh, that's going to take me fucking hours to put in the car. It's got all the ends on it that are made off, ready. There's a couple of wires there that will obviously need certain connections made. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Look at that. Oh, it's even got the lamp holders in there. All the bullet connectors. Oh, good God. Oh, that's definitely squirt material. Look at that. One more thing to go with the collection. the grommet package. This is every grommet you will need. And yeah, you could go, oh, I'll buy this one, I'll buy that one. Just buy the fucking packet, it's simple. You've got every grommet you could possibly need to get the wiring harness done. Is it going to be easy? No, of course not. You're assembling a car that was made in 1964. It's got grommets galore. Oh. Don't even fuck around. Buy the kit. Oh, this main wiring harness, I'm sorry, this one really does float my boat, to say the least. Damn. Oh, that is going to take me hours to fit when this beastie is back in action. My first job when I get it back from the body shop is put the wiring harness in. Now somewhere, I haven't got a clue where at the moment, there is a diagram that shows me how the wiring harness goes. So I need to find that before I even attempt to put this in. Does it go to the left? Does it go to the right? Does this go here? Does this go there? Who knows? So that's going to be fun. Oh, boy, am I looking forward to this. What's this one? Front lamps harness, and that's both sides. Lights harness. When it says lights, I believe it means the little side lights. I'll find out, won't I? What's this one? Boot lid harness. Self-explanatory. Overdrive harness. Yeah. Center panel harness. Okay, nice. What's this one? Oh, this is the guess one. You've got to guess what it is. Little buggers. I had to figure that one out. I'll find it. Now, the harness I don't have here is number 168. 168 is a harness I already have. I believe it is the left-hand side, so I'm assuming the other one there is the right-hand side, which will probably be 169 if I have a brain cell. No, it doesn't say 169. All right. Okay, let's... Yes, guess what? My phone's gone off because I'm recording. Back in a second.